everyone, and welcome to our September episode of Forever Matters. It's my big pleasure to welcome you to Warsaw in Poland. My name is Joanna Klub. I'm the marketing manager for the Polish office. We are on the viewing terrace, 230 meters above the ground, which is the highest of this kind in the European Union, from where you can admire beautiful city Warsaw. As you've noticed, this year Forever is visiting different countries, and it's our turn now. It's an honor for us to show you Warsaw and share some experience from our market. Forever has got one long story in Poland. We've opened our doors in November 1993, which means that for almost 32 years, we've been seeing thousands of FBOs changing their lives thanks to Forever. As you know, behind every success story, there is a series of small wins and lessons taken. Let's explore how the growth is happening for soaring manager Kinga Wysocka.
Hi guys, my lesson for you is about finding a new partner to your business. How do I do that? I usually make between 3 and 5 contacts a day. Some of them in real life, but the most online, in social media. I just try to get to know new people. I ask them questions about their life. I don't say much, I just listen. When they trust me and say me their problems, I just say, you know what? I may have a solution for you. Are you open to learn about it? Some say yes, the others say no, and that's okay. Because I don't want to convince people. I just want to find people who truly need help. So, I have 2 rules. The first one, I don't offer cooperation until I don't know what the pain is, what the desire is of my prospects. When they see solution, they are more interested. In the second one, I don't convince and don't push. So try to make contacts in this way, and if it works for you, share it with your teams. Good luck!
As you can see, a thriving business begins with thriving people. I hope you find inspiration from Kinga's story. Kinga, thank you very much for sharing your business tips, and I'm sure that a lot of FBOs all over the world will find it very, very useful in their everyday Forever work. In Forever, we've got really amazing FBOs. They are really fantastic people all over the world. Let's get to recognizing our brand new managers. Take it away, Nick.
And now time to recognize our brand new Sapphire managers for the month. From Turkey, congratulations to Taha Al-Mafraji. And now from the UAE, Mahdi Anjami Khosrowshahi. From Gabon, it's Arpin Dagoye Beatrice. From Turkey, Nuri Endic Erol. From India, Shubham Gupta. Congratulations from Iraq, Shara Abbas Hussein. And from South Africa, it's Malilo Elizabeth Morite. And from the UAE, it's Sadije Ranavad. And now it's time to recognize our brand new Diamond Sapphire manager. Congratulations to Hawari Hamid Swaish, all the way from Turkey. Hawari joined Forever 4 years ago and is dedicated to building his team by committing around 20 hours a day to his business. His ultimate goal is to achieve GLT, and as a brand new Diamond Sapphire, he's certainly well on his way. Congratulations, Hawari.
Thank you, Nick. Congratulations to all the new GEM managers this month. What an amazing achievement. You are now joining me at Forever Poland office. We are at our conference room. This is the place where FBOs are meeting with their prospects, clients. They organize seminars, trainings, where these big goals and ideas are being created. And what goal has Forever Poland got? 15,000 CC, this is our main goal, and obviously more Eagle Manager qualifiers. And now let's take a look at the top 10 FBO list for August. Congratulations to all top 10 achievers. What an amazing accomplishment. You know what's happening now? It's 2025 Eagle Managers Retreat in Phuket, Thailand. Let's take a quick look behind the scenes to see all the action and why you want to earn your way to go to Sun City, South Africa next year.
Thank you, Joanna, and as you can see, I am joining you from beautiful Phuket, Thailand. We're here right in the middle of EMR 25, and we have had a couple of amazing days with the largest group of Eagle managers we've ever had together. 2,104 people all together in this Laguna area of Phuket. We had some phenomenal, life-changing trainings. We've done some VIP dinners on the beach with the GLT and Pack 20. We filmed a Powered by Forever podcast with Aidan Greth and a very special guest that you'll be able to see soon. Right now, all of our Eagle managers are exploring the island of Phuket, seeing the sights and sounds of this beautiful country, and we're getting ready for tonight. It's the final night. We say goodbye to everybody by having a massive full moon party right on the beach here, including fireworks, DJs, and some amazing barbecue. All it leaves me to tell you is please, please make it your goal to join us in Sun City, South Africa for EMR 26.
Wow, what an amazing event! We want to see you next year at EMR 26 in Sun City, South Africa. Keep working towards these big goals. We're at the product center now, as you can see. We all love Forever products. Try to guess which one is my favorite one. Here it is, Forever Infinite. We're excited to announce that we're adding to this wide array of fantastic products 2 new skincare products announced at EMR. I know you're gonna love them. Let's turn to Holly now for a deeper dive to find out what makes this product so special.
Hello Forever family. We just recently launched 2 brand new skincare products at Eagle Managers Retreat, and I can't wait to share them with you for a very quick moment right now today. We launched Forever Vitamin C Brightening Facial Milk. This is a daytime facial milk designed to give your skin a luminous glow and have that healthy looking appearance of youth. Forever Bakuchiol is a nighttime nourishing facial milk designed to renew the skin. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin is going to feel amazing. When used together, 6% tetrahexadecyl ascorbate, which is the vitamin C, and 1% bakuchiol collectively is a powerful dynamic duo that you should add to your skincare regimen. I hope you get to try it, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Sending you the biggest hugs and loves.
Thanks, Holly. We love learning about the science behind the new products. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. And I'm afraid this is the end of this Forever Matters episode. It's been a pleasure to host you in Forever Poland office, and it's been a pleasure for me as well. Next month we'll be passing Forever Matters across the globe, so stay tuned and observe where we land. Until then, stay focused on what matters to you.